In this video, we will guide you on the steps to sign up for your Axacute account. To sign up, visit us at axacute.com and go to the Plans section. This is where you determine the subscription plan that you will subscribe, depending on the scale and nature of your organization. You might want to explore different subscription plans. You can scroll down the feature lists to understand what each subscription plan offers. When you have finally made up your mind, you have the option to sign up on a monthly or an annually basis. With the latter comes at an even more affordable price. Click on the Start Free Trial button to initiate the sign-up process. At the sign-up page, you are required to fill in your personal information. After you have filled up the sign-up form, click on the Sign Up button. This will trigger our system to send a verification email to your registered email. Look for the email in your inbox and click on the Verify button to bring up the site creation form. At the site creation form, fill up the basic information of your organization and click on the Next button to proceed to the next form. There are a few important things you would need to take note when you are filling up the site information. Site ID is the ID that you will use during your login. It is required in every login to Axacute, so it is advised that you keep it short and not overcomplicated. Next, fill up the rest of the form including the number of the user, username, and password. Note that you are not allowed to change your site ID and your username after you have completed the sign-up process. So make sure that you make it right the first time. Click on the Create Your Site button to complete the sign-up process. You will be auto-logged into the system upon the completion and you are off to go to explore Axacute. If you prefer reading, a step-by-step guide on the sign-up process with picture illustrations is also available on our website for your reference. Thank you for watching this video.